Alright, welcome back to Creations by Kim, and we're going to give our attempt today with a string pull. I ain't never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. This will be the probably the first one going up on YouTube in my Mother's Day series. There are a few Mother's Day gifts have been happening lately, and I've been recording them. And so I'll be putting those up probably in the order that we painted them. So anyway, I guess let's get started. I'm going to do this one for my mom. And she likes flowers. And so I figured we'd try the string pull and see if we couldn't make something that was presentable for Mother's Day. And so hopefully this turns out good. I have high hopes. So anyway, of course I'm going to go with a purple. And these are going to be my flower colors, and I'm not for sure, try a little highlight like pollen in it or something. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. But my background color is going to be this light pink color, and actually let's see my pinks. I did for this one I did the Artist Loft portrait pink and mixed it with some white to tone it way down. And I guess if you can look on the stick, this is the original color. I don't know if that's going to come out or not. Anyway, but that's the white and portrait pink. My purple is the Prism Violet from Liquitex Basics, and then the white was just some artist or apple barrel white, and then of course I mixed it all with Floetrol, and the cream color is the apple barrel ivory. So and then this one, I just did the Prism Violet and mixed it with a little bit of white and Floetrol to kind of get a lighter tone there. So, alright, let's see how we can, what we can do with this string stuff. So, hope you enjoy. Okay. Alright, I think I got that pretty well covered. So let's get started on the stringy stuff. this works. Not for sure if you do the puddles on top of each other or how. I've seen them where they do it centered, and some it's totally not touching. So let's see how well this goes. Probably should have used more than one string, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, here goes nothing. And I need more. Apparently you need a longer string. Let's see how well this goes. Or not longer string, but more paint on the string. So although that turned out very nice. I do like that. I think I'm going to stop since I'm undecided there. That has turned out pretty well. Let's see if we can do some close-up here. Check out how that went over the edge. And I got all the other edges covered. Pretty good. Got a little on the corners there that aren't covered. And then I just bumped it with my finger. All right. I think that turned out pretty good. I like it. Got a few little dots showing up here and there, but overall I think it turned out really well. I'm just going to do a little touch-ups and everything, make sure it's all covered, and we're going to go with that. So happy Mother's Day, Mom. I guess I could spin it around since y'all's view. There you go. There you go. All right. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Hope you like it. And I'm really excited how that turned out. It was actually easier than I thought. But anyway, we're going to go with it. Thanks for joining me on Creations by Kim. If you have any suggestions, go ahead and hit me up in the comments. But if you liked it, go ahead and like. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe. And of course, always go ahead and share it for me and everything. Get it out there. And I guess we'll see y'all next go round. Thanks. Bye.